going on? So, some of you may know already that I've got an insane quantity of these Phillips defibrillator packs. Ex-health service. Now, has anyone else had these Phillips M3538A? That one's the same. They have racks and racks of these. So I tried to charge this through. So the way these work, so obviously they're a snap-in cartridge, like they snap in that way. And there's positive, negative, and some temperature. TDCE, someone will explain what that means. Temperature at one side, I assume. Yeah, so obviously there's some circuitry inside, which is this. So they've got a balancer. These two pins are obviously your power outputs out of this little board. It tells you what's what and what's where. Got some FETs up the top there. Looks like a... Is that a shunt maybe in the bottom there? Yeah, that just... Yeah, anyway. Whatever, it doesn't really matter that much. These are probably gold, mind you, so... I'll have to get one of them off and test it because... Yeah, I've got like literally milk crates and big... Those big yellow crates that you would have seen upstairs the other day. Just... I got tons of these and there's more coming. So... My main question is, anyone actually livened these up again as they are? So it's 14.4 volts. Like, we've got all the balance leads here. Technically, if these cells are alright, even the temperature sensors are there. Cut the wires on them, obviously. But if I just stuck a 4S BMS or two of these together, some kind of 8S BMS kind of thing, like, they're ready to go. Like, I could make a jump starter pack or something out of some of these. And the guy I get these off is really after a jump starter pack. So if I could make him a jumper or something, that would be like awesome. Self-managed BMS USB charged jump starter pack. This big. Put it back in one of these cases. Put one of the, jump starter pack plugs on the side of it. Happy days. But yeah, I want to know, has anyone else processed these Phillips batteries? Is my biggest question. It's going to be a short video, but that's what I want to know because I want to put something back into service. Like, yeah, they're defibrillator batteries, but the amount of times they would have actually been cycled from 2013, 2015 to now kind of thing, like, it'd be so slim. Like, it wouldn't be bugger all. No way known there could be that many cycles put on them in that time. So, I'm assuming they're good cells. I've started cell processing. I've got the Opus and the SQ4, which I believe is like a Nightcore clone. I reviewed it a while back. Still going strong. Same with the Opus 3100. I want another probably 5 of them, I reckon. I've just got 18650s bloody everywhere. They're already charged and tested, and there's another bucket full of them there. But yeah, bucket full of them there. There's 18650s everywhere, and I've got heaps more. So yeah, let me know what you know about these. I'm going to pull this apart too, just to show you what's inside. It's a motorbike start battery, lithium. Like, dead set, that weighs more than that. That is so light, it is ridiculous. It's only physically this size so that it fits in the battery holder of the bike. Like, I reckon it could, like, it weighs as much as the Milwaukee M12 battery. Yeah, 180 cold cranking amps, I reckon. Max 15 amp. charge current. So I got it from the recycler. We may have to cut the top off it and have a look. Maximum charge voltage is 14.6. So I'm going to say it's a LiPo 4 in series. Must be like 5 amp cells that'll do 100 amp discharge. Well, more than 100, it's 180 cold cranking. So some serious discharge cells, but I imagine it's a LiPo with some kind of BMS in it. So we're going to have to pull it apart and have a look. Do not place battery in microwave oven or pressurized container. I would have thought that was self-explanatory. Anyway, guys, I'm packing it up, going inside. It's midnight, so it's time for some dinner. And, yeah, I'm starting to get this show sorted out a little bit. Got the soldering station down here on the desk and USB power everywhere, so I can, and the holdy, so we can hold onto the camera and shoot videos. Yeah, so things are progressing at the new workshop. The e-waste side of it's progressing hard as well, but we're here for batteries today. And yeah, catch you on the next video. Thank you muchly for watching. If you've played with these, sing out, drop me a comment anyway. Give me some suggestions of what I should do with all these prefab packs with the wires on them. Your suggestion might just end up being a pile of them made that way. Thanks for watching. Catch us. Bye.